Hi, what are you doing? You want to see my speakers? Yeah. What's up, you guys? I know I say this in almost every video that I'm almost done with my system, but man, oh my God, I found a way to get these bad boys. Dude, I am super excited. Can't believe I spent this much money on some speakers. Not gonna lie, I've been doing car audio off and on for over 20 years. Had some nice systems. Best system I had was Diamond Audio. My mentor told me Morel was the best. I didn't want to hear it. 20 something years later, I hear it, I believe it, and I am almost, well, pretty much finished with my hybrid system. Started off with Morel Maximos, and now I've got a Morel hybrid system. I mean, if you see my other videos, hopefully you have. This is the final piece, man. Oh my God, dude. Elate carbon Alto tweeters. Look at those with the sweet Lotus grill, and it's magnetic. That's pretty cool, man. Let me take these out the box. Obviously you can see I already taken it out. Look at the size of this tweeter, man. I mean, come on now. When I swap out my Morel Maximo tweeters, I'll do a side-by-side comparison with these, just so you can see the height difference. Benny, no barking. No barking. But man, I also, you see my videos, I have those pillars with the Morel CCRW254 speakers. And I am actually waiting on my pods for these speakers to arrive. So of course I can't put them in now, but the next time when I cut from this scene to the next, I'll show you the size comparison to the Morel Maximo tweeters. Then I will actually put them in and do a sound demo. But just want to show you guys real quick in case you're interested. There we go, man. Oh, I'm super excited. I hope they sound worth the cost. If not, I'm gonna be like, man, I spent this much money just for this, but hopefully not. I'm not filming, so I'm not filming in the best area, best lighting, but I wanted to show you guys really quick. You already saw earlier in the video, I got my Morel Elate Carbon Alto tweeters, and I was waiting for these pods to come. In my car, I showed you in the other videos, and I'll show you again, of course. I showed you the pods that I had holding my Morel CCWR254 wide range speakers, or yeah, wide range. And these are for the Morel tweeters. These, I got them off of eBay. These are the only guys who make the only guys who make them. They're made out of metal, and these dudes do excellent, excellent work. I'll go ahead and put up a link. I don't get anything for it, but why not share their business so they can get something for it? So anyway, let me pull one of these out really quick and show you what it comes with, and I'll show you how the tweeter mounts in there. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here is the pod, and it's perfectly drilled for the tweeter. I'll mount it in a second, and it has a hole at the bottom. This is so you can mount on your A-pillars. I know custom A-pillars look so much better, but at least not at this point. I didn't want to go that route. But here is the hardware that comes with it. The Allen head screws, or Torx head type screws. And that's a good security feature, because so nobody can't just easily steal your speakers. I mean, if they wanted, they could just rip the pods off the A-pillar, but if not, it's not easy for them to unscrew it. And then this screws into the bottom of the pod. Sorry, I'm one-handing this, but this screws into the bottom of the pod, where when you put the speakers in, it goes through, or the speaker wires go through that hole, just like this. And let me show you 1 second. Put it down. Well, actually, let me do it like this. I'll set it over here, and I'll take one of these. I mean, this is not the complete way to do it, because it has bolts and nuts and stuff like that, and it even has a washer. Well, sorry, one-handing it. Come on, come on. Okay, here we go. Here's the little washer unit. So this would go up against the A-pillar, I believe. But let me go ahead and set it up really quick. So, well, since we're all here, let me do it like this. Just trying to one-hand this and not scratch up my thing. But just say, for example, I put it on like that.
And then you mount this guy onto that. As you see, it'll screw on just the same. And that'll help you get a flush mount. Man, I am one-handing this and it is not working out too well. I'm sorry, you guys. Okay, there we go. You will start to screw it down and you can screw it to the point where, you know, however far you want it to go, along with how deep you want the pods sticking out of your A-pillar, whether you want it really deep or if you want it really shallow, you can work with it. I did mine for the CCWR 254, but I don't think I actually used the mounting hardware. I think I went to Lowe's and just got some different screws and just got another screw to fill in that hole to cover it so there's no air leak or anything like that. And then I mounted it up. But let me go ahead and drop one of the tweeters in there just so you can see how it fits really quick. And I'll be right back. Okay, before I completely drop this in really quick, just wanted to show you, hopefully the light is good enough, there it is. The pod has a little couple of cutouts right there, little indentations right next to my thumb, and that's for the speaker wire that's already attached to the tweeter to fit perfectly without smashing and cutting the tweeter wire. So let me set it down really quick and mount it properly so you guys can see it. Well, before I mount it, just want to get some better light in there. I'm in my kitchen. It's at night, actually. I know. I should have did this in the daytime when it was brighter, but I'm excited about it. So anyway. All right, let me go ahead and drop it in so you can see. And with the speaker wire coming out of the bottom of the pot, like I said, and the tweeter in there, it's a perfect flush, perfect fit. It's a beautiful fit. And then you mount it, you know, however you're going to mount your thing on the side. Next to your A-pillar with that, and like you saw, you already saw that it's hollow, so the speaker wire will go through that and into here, and boom, good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try something different this time around. I am going to record with my original Morel tweeters, just the standard ones that come with the Maximo 6. I'm gonna record a song with those, but I'm going to use a good microphone. I'm not going to use a cell phone. I'm going to use an external microphone, a good microphone, to actually try to get some good sound. Then I'm going to swap them out for these, play the exact same song at the exact same volume, and hopefully, especially for the money I paid for this, hopefully we'll hear a distinct difference in sound in a good way, you know? I mean, I have no doubt these will sound amazing, but let's find out. All right? Okay, I pre-mounted them, got them set up for tomorrow actually, because I'm about to go to bed. But I got them set up for tomorrow. They're evenly screwed in and all that, but I just wanted you to see how they actually mount. This screw on the back, this screw here, I'm just putting that there for right now, but obviously I would take it off, run these through my A-pillar, and then put the screw in on the backside and secure it, kind of, you know, just like a nut in a bolt in anything you do, you know. So basically gonna run this through my A-pillar, put this on to secure it, and it should be good to go. But I just want to show you guys what it looks like really quick, and that'll be it for now. And tomorrow, when it's bright and sunny with better lighting and all that jazz, I'll go ahead and record, like I said, with my current Morel Maximo 6 tweeters, just the basic standard tweeters they sell. Then I'll swap them out, play the same song with these tweeters installed, and see what we get. All right. What's up, everybody? As you can see right here, I've got my Morel Carbon Alto or Elate Carbon Alto tweeters. I was going to wait to install them, but a little excited right now, so I think I'm going to install them right now. But first, before I do that, I'm actually gonna listen to the original tweeters that I had in my system. If you've been watching my videos, I appreciate it. These are the original Morel Maximo 6 tweeters that came with my Maximo 6 components, but as you know, my system is now a hybrid. I've been updating it for over a year now. In the doors down there, I got the MKW MK2s 6.5s, CCRW or CCWR 254s up there in these pods,
and then the Morel Maximo tweeters. And the crossovers I'm using, I'll put up a picture. It's the MXR 200.4, but now with these new pods, hold on, let me try that again. With these new pods, it's gonna look like this when I get done. But right now, I'm gonna do a sound demo. Got a couple of songs I want to play. I'm gonna play the exact same songs, of course, when I upgrade these tweeters. Oh, and Penny says hi. Say hi, Penny. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna play a couple of songs real quick, and then we're gonna install the other ones and play the exact same songs and see what we get.
See this in 3D. All lights out for me. All lights out for me. Lightning strikes the beach. 80 degrees. Warm it up for me. Finally free. Found the part of me. And I want you to see. I can walk on water. 1,000 miles from shore. I can float on the water. Father, hold me close. Don't let me down. I know you won't.
Yeah, walking on the bridge, I threw my sins over the deep end. Sipping till my stomach hurt this month, I done lost 3 friends. Early morning brainstorming, normally I can't sleep in. Sometimes I just wanna restart it, but it all depends. If I'm gonna be that same young hungry.
I'm keeping the subwoofer low because I just want you to hear the mid ranges and wide range speakers. All right, so let me go to another song real quick. I noticed the songs with The Weeknd are recorded really good, man. That dude has a great voice, and whoever the engineer is, they do a great job with mixing his music. So here we go.
Yeah, said you love me, but I don't care. That I broke my head on the same one that you told me that it was. You think it's so easy, fucking with my feelings. I got one coming over, one right now, one right now. Said you wanna have my babies, I fucked you so good, you should pay me. Don't call me baby when you did me so wrong, But I got all of what you did already. Body for body, so petty. How many of your friends fit in rows? But you would know that you should call me that, baby, I'm mad. But you dropped the bad, baby, true things. Maybe one's just not enough. You say you love me, but I don't care. That I broke my hand on the same one. She told me that he wants you. You think it's so easy, fucking with my feelings. I got one coming away, one right now.
Old school always sounds good, very clean.
Some reason why we come back.
As y'all can see, I finished my install, what, about an hour later, give or take? Not sure, but I will say this. I just turned them on, just gave it a listen, and man, first of all, the maximal tweeters that I had, they're a little sharper. You know, the highs are a little higher than I would have preferred. Of course, you can tune them down, but I think just by the nature of them, they're just sharper, higher pitched tweeters, whereas these are much smoother. The second thing I noticed, along with the smooth sound, is the warmth of them. And I'm going to play the exact same 3 songs I played, but I noticed when I was listening to this first song, the Post Malone song, I could hear things in the song that I didn't hear in the maximal tweeters. These tweeters are way more dynamic, so of course I get to hear a whole lot more. Man, it is, after just listening to it for a second, so far it's worth the money. So I'm gonna let you guys listen and let me know if you can hear the difference, and let me know what you think in the comments, please. And subscribe if you like this. I know this video is a little long, but I wanted you to ride along with me.
So good, you should pay me. Don't call me baby when you did me so wrong. But I got all of what you did already. Body for body, so petty. How many of your friends feel rose? But you would know that. You should call me that, baby, I'm ass. But you dropped the bad, baby, truth is, maybe one's just not enough. You say you love me, but I don't care. That I roll my head and say what you told me that he wants.
Pretty cool, right? Hope you guys agree. Let me play another song I was playing. This one. I haven't tried this song yet, actually. So you guys are going to try it with me. But so far, that Post Malone song sounded pretty good. I'm going to play this one and then that Hurricane song by Kanye West. And that'll wrap this video. Again, I'm sorry that it's so long, but this is the process. Man, that sounds really good to me, so hopefully it does to you guys. Okay, Kanye song.
See this in 3D. All lights out for me. All lights out for me. Lightning strikes the beach. 80 degrees. Warm it up for me. Finally free. Found the part of me. And I want you to see. I can walk on water. 1,000 miles from shore. I can float on the water. Father, hold me close.
Alright, this is the last part of this video. My battery's almost dead. I'm almost out of storage, but just want you guys to give it a listen before it cuts off, and I'll end this video.
Lightning strikes the beach. 80
All right, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. A lot of my stuff was cutting out, so I hope it recorded and gave you guys a good sound demo, a good comparison. Because I know when I'm on YouTube trying to find comparisons, sometimes I'm not so lucky. So hopefully this worked out and gave you what you expected. I took a chance on these carbon Alto tweeters, and they lived up to the hype. Everything my mentor taught me 25 years ago, saying Morel was the best speaker he ever heard, I absolutely agree. Not the only good speaker out there, obviously, but they lived up to everything he tried to tell me. So, all right, this is Ahmed with A. Robertson Media, A. Robertson Everything. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Please consider subscribing if you want to see more, and leave a comment. I always do my best to reply. Good to have a conversation with you guys. All right, and me and Penny, say bye, Penny. All right, we are out of here, y'all. Peace out.